Welcome back. Today is an exciting day. First day of the Bultaco project. So I got everything kind of organized here, and let's get a better look at what we're working with. So I got everything kind of laid out here, and I want to try to put the engine in the frame before we do anything too crazy, because the engine and the frame don't go together, but I was told that it should be no problem, that they use the same mount. We'll see. And then yeah, I just want to kind of mock this thing up a little bit before we get too crazy sending stuff off. Can't really send the wheels off because I noticed in the hub here, this hub is just no good. The case is all broke. There is one on eBay right now. I gotta call the owner and see what he wants to do. I also have a couple other ideas I want to run by him, but for now, I'm just gonna do some test fitting, see what fits, and I can't wait to get started on that front end. I'm gonna polish that thing out. It's gonna look great. And this is just a pile of parts that we're probably not gonna use except for the swing arm. All right, so I'm going to grab the engine. I just cleaned the rear mount here, and the front looks like it just pops in there, so I don't know, see how it goes together. The good thing about these old dirt bikes is everything is pretty light, and they're relatively simple. They can be a real pain in the butt when it comes to parts. I've been doing some parts hunting for this thing, but I don't know. Everything's pretty much junky. The parts are out there, but they're garbage. So that kind of sucks. I think the best way to do this is actually going to be lay the frame on its side. I've done that with other bikes and had pretty decent luck. I don't know how much oil is in this engine either. I tried to put it on its side before. There we go. It's not heavy, but it's not exactly light either. Leak. Too bad. Alright guys, what do you think? Not too bad for day one. She's pretty mocked up here. Just wanted to get an idea what we were working with and just making sure everything was gonna fit. But looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So yeah, day one. Got a lot more days though on this project. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to finger fudge the old like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.